So what we're gonna do is I've got him seated on my lap. I've got my burp cloth. I've got my hand behind his head. And we'll see if by bringing the cup up. Hi, I Oh my goodness. Here's some milk. And he's like, we're gonna calm him down first because he's a little too fussy. Can you calm down for us? It's okay. It's okay. So I'm gonna calm him down because he's not gonna feed well if he's super.
Yeah.
So if you're trying the cup feeding, pop a finger in, see if he'll calm down. There. Okay, now we'll try again. Nice strong suck. Here's your milk. There we go. So it's an element of being patient. There we go.
Good job, buddy.
Oh. I'm reading his cues. If he's too fussy, we're gonna stop.
Ooh, he's like, oh, that's the good stuff.
Do you see how he's bringing that tongue down and out?
Mm-hmm.
That's what we want to see.
Great.
There we go. So do you see now
yeah.
there we go. So he's gonna lap it up kind of like a little kitten.
Oh.
So you don't want to do it while he's crying.
Right.
And we're just bringing that milk up so that
Enough.
it's where his tongue can reach it. Okay, so we're not pouring the milk in.
Right.
We're not dumping it in his mouth. We're letting him do all the work with his tongue.
Interesting. Would this be something that might help too, like after the release?
Yes, if he's super fussy at the breast and you can't get him to latch.
Okay.
So do you see how now he's doing that on his own? Yeah. So I'm just, oh, look at that nice tongue.
Good job, bud.
So we're just keeping it at the border of the lips, and he might lose a little, that's okay. And now we're watching his cues. Did you see how he pulled away? He was like tracking with it, and then he pulled away. I'm gonna respect that. There you go. There you go.
I never knew you could do this.
Oh, there you go.
So we're respecting his cues. If he pushes or arches away, we're pulling back.
Okay.
If he comes forward and reaches for it, we're gonna make sure that it's there for his lips. Good job. That's okay. And coming out the mouth is totally normal. If he gets just a little too much, it's got to go somewhere, right?
He does that with breast milk sometimes too.
There you go. Beautiful job. Good job. Now we're watching him. He's staying nice and calm. He's still a little like, I don't quite know what to do with my body, but that's okay. Good job. So do you see how I have him upright? He's not slouched. You don't want his body to be seed over. I've got him on my leg, so his butt's on my lower leg.
Okay.
And his back's actually on my upper leg. You can cross your leg if you needed to, so you could do something like this.
Gotcha, more upright.
Yeah, he's pretty upright.
Yeah.
Because if he's on his back, you're increasing the risk of it going down the wrong way.
Got it.
So, just a little, if you're a little uncomfortable, you can lower it a little bit. And now that he's like, oh, I'm getting milk here, you see how much calmer he is too. He was like, oh, I don't know what that is. So this is another way that you can supplement.
Gotcha. If we needed to. Okay, cool.
Yep. So I'm letting him breathe, watching his cues. Look at that tongue come down. Can you see what he's doing there with his tongue on the video? Do you see what he's doing, what I'm talking about? I'm bringing it down, and then, of course, he spits it out. But he's actually bringing his tongue all the way down into that cup. Do you see how he brought his tongue down? See how it's like all the way in the cup? That's what we want to see at the breast. His tongue's going to come all the way down and cup that breast. Cup feeding is actually a really ancient practice. It's been practiced for thousands of years in other cultures. There's other cultures that actually make little cups specifically for cup feeding.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes sense, especially before like bottles or.
Now, do you see how he's lost interest? Do you see how now the eyes are like
Glazed
he's
over.
gone totally soft? The arms are no longer moving. This baby's full. Okay. So he took almost half an ounce from the cup, and we know that on my scale he took 20 ml. So he's taken over an ounce, and he's day 6.
Okay.
So that's what I would expect him to do at a feeding, is about an ounce, ounce and a half, really no more than that. So you can see the hands are nice and open, they're soft. He's no longer frantic. He's gonna sneeze. So his whole demeanor has changed, right?
Yeah.
So, and now he's like in that yawning kind of sleepy baby phase. So we can try it, but if I touch his lips and bring it up and he's like, do you see how he's not as engaged anymore? I don't think, see how his tongue's not coming out? He's staying nice and calm.
Yeah.
Stop.
Okay.
Because we could overfeed him
Right.
and get him to finish this. We don't want to do that. We want him to learn to listen to his body.
Gotcha.
Okay.
And what do you? That's amazing.
There you go.
That's awesome. Good. All right.